Dr. Gregg with the Lyme Wellness Center. I wanted to take a minute today to meet one of our patients as well as to go through and do an adjustment. So we're going to talk a little bit about him, learn about his case and what's been going on with him, why he came into our office and got under care, how it's been going. Then I'm going to show you the adjustments we do specifically for him to help with his concern. So why don't you share with me, what was going on when we first met?
So I was having issues with my arm, lifting things with my arm. I had lost some functionality. I don't know how it happened, but that was a big issue for me. I didn't have the full range like I have with my other arms.
So it's tough to lift things?
It was tough to lift things.
What's your big reason for being here and wanting your arm to work better for you?
Well, basically I want to be able to throw my kids around and play basketball and with them and just play with them.
And how many kids do you have?
I have 5 kids.
And what age are they?
So I have a 5-year-old, a 7-year-old, a 10-year-old, a 13-year-old, and a 15-year-old.
So are they starting to beat you in basketball?
Not quite.
Not quite.
But we got to keep it. Keep it under control.
Yeah, I heard you had a rough game this weekend.
Yes, I did. I did.
And we got back together, tuned you up a little bit, got you back into the game this week?
Yes.
All right, so let's go ahead and show the adjustment that we wind up doing for you to help with that shoulder arm, and then we'll see where we go from there. You've already done some exercises to help warm things up. Go ahead and lay down on your back, and we'll take care of your adjustment. Okay, so for all of our patients, we look at their legs and we check them at the top of their head and their neck. Annie, why don't you come on over here a little bit closer, okay? We're going to check and see. This is a gentle adjustment we do. Come closer, please. Okay. And we're going to put a gentle force in. Good. And we're going to take care of and do another one. Good. How'd that feel?
Oh, it feels great.
Awesome. So that adjustment up at the top of his head helps all the messages going out to his hands and his arms so that his arms can start to get back to work. Keep that there. Don't let me move you. Don't let me move you. Bring this leg out. Keep that there. Keep that there. So these tests are all to measure and see how are his legs getting messages and working. Can you lift your leg up straight? Turn your foot out. Straight up with this leg. Turn your foot out. Awesome. Go ahead and hug yourself. It's going to be to start helping to open up his back and help him to breathe better, as well as to help some of those messages continuing to come out to his arm. Now I'm going to have you bring your arm up straight. Flip your wrist over, elbow. Keep that there. Don't let me move you. Good. Turn your hand all the way down. Keep that there. Don't let me move you. Good. Bend your elbow. Keep that there. Don't let me move you. All right. You're using some extra strength there, aren't you? Let's turn your head that way and look up. Look up for me. Keep that. Easier. All right. So we're going to do another adjustment here because there's just something that's not right. Gentle force. We're going to go this way as well to make sure. Let's do that again. Arm up. Nope, straight ahead. Keep that there. Don't let me move you. Easier and better. So keep that there. Don't let me flip your wrist. Hold your hand there. Don't let me flip you. Don't let me move your hand. One more time. Okay, so sometimes we're not on the same page, and that I ask for a patient to do something, and we don't do it together. So we keep doing it till we get it right. Don't let me flip your wrist. Better? All right, go ahead and flip over onto your stomach. Okay. I'm going to lift and tilt your head up. I'm going to check how your legs are working. Okay. All right, turn on your side and face me over here. Let your body do it. Okay, back onto your stomach. One of the things we're going to finish up with is changing his posture with what's called a mirror image adjustment. So what we're doing is we're putting his body in a mirror position of what he typically stands up and looks like. Right now, we're going to use a tool to help him stay in that right position. Okay, so let's go and do a great dismount. Go ahead and sit up for me. Nice work. So, how'd that adjustment feel?
Feels great.
Feels awesome?
Yes.
Super. Well, thank you for letting us record this. Is it okay to share with everyone and anyone?
Sure.
Awesome. Let's go on over and do your traction work to help you stay this way.
All right.